should not buy this basic range of between my bike cycle. So before buying a Decathlon cycle, think twice because the maintenance charge of this cycle is quite high compared to the normal cycles. Good afternoon internet, welcome back to another new fresh vlog. Currently I am out for cycling with Whistler. It's been more than 1 year that I have bought Whistler and I am riding Whistler. For the new viewers who don't know Whistler is the name of my cycle. This is the between my bike cycle, the lowest range of cycle that's available in Decathlon store. This video is going to be a experience video of how the cycle has been doing for more than 1 year. I bought it on June 2020. Now it is August 2021. I am out for cycling after many days because I was not able to cycle due to a small issue. You can say small or large as well, but that issue results in some difficulty while riding the bicycle. So I will tell what the issue is in some few minutes. So right now I am currently heading towards the Decathlon store located in Salt Lake Sector 5 in Kolkata. So as I was telling, I have an issue on my rear tire. I am going to fix that and will be doing a basic service of my cycle because since it has not been going out for quite some days, I have to fix so that it gets ready to roll. I can get out of cycling on a regular basis. I have gained weight, so I have to reduce that in the coming months because I am looking so bad. I am also laughing by seeing the front camera. So you also must be laughing. For those who have been knowing me for so long, see how much weight I have gained by looking at my face. So now let me head towards the Decathlon store. It is around 3.5 kilometers from here. So in between, before going to the Decathlon store, I am going to show you what trouble I am facing in my cycle, and I will also share you why you should or should not buy this basic range of between my bike cycle from Decathlon store. So stay tuned to the channel, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel at the end. And if you like this video and think this video is informative to you, please do give the video a like. Till then, let me concentrate on my cycling.
Won't you take me home? Give me with your vibe.
So right now I am just opposite to the Jhilpara of Sector 5, and here is the cycle. Did 4 kilometers from my home and I am quite tired. I don't know but I have eaten junk food and all, so I have to just control everything now and be on a proper diet and proper lifestyle. So the problem I am facing, here it is. So my rear tire rim is bent. That's why what is happening when I am rotating the tire, it is getting stuck to the rear brakes. So that's why I have to give more pressure on my pedal for the cycle to move. This is the main problem, and the brakes has to be oiled. Other than that, there is nothing much problem. The rear tire the rear rim is bent, and basic checkup would be done of my cycle. Let's see how much it costs to do so, and I will also share you. Other than that, I have ridden this cycle for more around 3,000 kilometers in 1 year, and the cycle is the best cycle that you can get in this price range. Currently it is been sold at a range of 4,999. I bought it at a range of 4,499. So 500 rupees has increased, and I am not sure about that. You may check that in the Decathlon app.
Won't you take me home and give me with your vibe? We can breathe.
So I have reached the Decathlon store, and now I'll be going inside and let me talk with them how much time it will take, how much charge it will. So after that I will get back to you. So I have given the cycle for checkup. They will do all the checkup. So the basic basic service is of rupees 299, sorry. So they told me to come after 30 minutes and 45 minutes. So after that I will come and let's see how they work does. So in between that I will chill out beside my college stall.
Be alone in the castle in the sky.
Again back to the Decathlon. I came here to pick up my cycle. So let me pick up my cycle and I'll get back to you and let's see how the servicing work has been done over here. So let's check it out.
Won't you take me home?
So actually one spoke was broken, so that has to be changed. They told 20 rupees for changing the smoke. Other than that, they have done the alignment of the wheel. So how the condition of my cycle is now. After that I will leave. I think they will take more 20 to 30 minutes over here. And then I will leave, and after that I will share you how my cycle is doing after the basic servicing. So this is the cycling section on the first floor. This is the all range of cycles available. So my friend also joined with me. He bought that cycle without gear. So I will show it once when I get down. उल्टो को हाँ. So it is around 7:10 now. Now I am out with my cycle, but still the final work has not been finished while installing the rear tire. Again, one spoke was broken while installing, so I have to come again tomorrow. So tomorrow I want to be making a vlog. And other than that, I had to pay 300 for only repairing of my rear tire. At first, I thought that basic servicing would be done, but no, that is not. So before buying a Decathlon cycle, think twice because the maintenance charge of this cycle is quite high compared to the normal cycles, and you have to, when you buy from here, you have to service from here only because in the other shops, outside shops, they won't take the risk of opening these parts of the cycle. So that is the main problem I have faced over this year, over a year. So other than that, let me check out how it is performing. Currently, I am heading towards my home and have a watch of the cycle that my friend has bought. This is the cycle that he has bought. I will be reviewing it soon, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. In the next vlog, you will get to see it. And he also bought a helmet. The range of the helmet is 1499. You saw at the Decathlon shop we bought this one. Currently, I am near to my home and I just cycled for nearly 11 kilometers repairing the rear rim spoke. So now it is running like new. Just one spoke need to be changed tomorrow. So that I will do tomorrow. And otherwise, if you are planning to buy this cycle, you can go for it. It's one of the best cycle in this range. In this range under rupees 5,000, I may recommend you to buy this cycle. The main problem is of the maintenance. The maintenance charge is too much of this kind of cycles. So think before you buy. You can also search other cycles that are available in the market in this range. So this was all for this video. If you like this video for whatsoever reason, please give the video a like, and I will be coming up with another review video of my friend's cycle in the next upcoming videos. So stay tuned to the channel. If you haven't yet watched our Ayodhya tour in the district of Pura, do give a watch. So stay tuned to the channel. Vlogs will be coming soon. Till then, bye bye.